Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm here holding a vibe with Clarks. Guys, check out this reasoning. Hi Clarks, how are you today?
Very fine and beautiful.
All right. Everything good?
Yes, man.
Yes.
Thanks for life.
Yes. Clarks, we recognize you as a Rasta living in Jamaica. How long you been a Rasta?
When I was born from my mother's womb.
Yeah? What are some of the things you practice as a Rasta?
Love.
That's your message?
That's my love.
And in your everyday life, how do you demonstrate the love?
Well, I love every living thing that God made.
Yes. And what are some of your religious practices, Clark?
My religious practice, I just burn my weed, eat up my good food, and give God thanks and praise.
Okay. Do you have ceremony that like a temple that you go to and worship?
No, I worship in my bedroom.
Okay. So do you meet with other Rastafari from time to time?
Yes. I'm holy for Rasta brethren.
And when you guys meet, how do you socialize together?
Well, we praise Jah Rastafari. I burn my weed with chalice, I will spliff and give Jah glory.
Yeah. Want to share experiences as well?
Yes, we share.
Yes.
With one another.
Yes.
And we don't pass one another on the street. Always hail our brethren. Yeah, Rastafari.
Yeah. I see your hair is really long. Have you ever cut it?
No, I never cut it. One time it cut and I reached, I go to prison, Spanish Town District Prison.
Mm-hmm.
That in Siaga time with the government. Siaga government say trim all rastas.
Mm-hmm.
Man bust a man teeth. Yeah, if the jail cannot hold me, cemetery will hold me.
Yes. Okay. Is there anything symbolic about your religion that you want to share with us, Clark?
Well, I want to show you one love, and I'm glad to see you, mommy.
Yes.
My mommy, black mommy. Because they might look for white God, but God come black.
Yes.
Yeah, so you give thanks and praise to Jah.
Yes.
That's the part.
Yes. And that's your main practice.
Yeah, that is my
love.
One love.
Yes. Is there anything else that is symbolic about the Rasta that you want to share with us?
Well, Rastafari is the Almighty, and I give thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Whether you relax or your head ball, is one love. God made us all.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. What type of relationship you have with the Haile Selassie?
The Haile Selassie is my daddy, my powerful daddy. Yeah, His Imperial Majesty. Yeah, that is my father. Yeah.
Okay. And how do you view Africa?
Africa is my mama land. And we want to go back home, but we are suffering down here. Yeah.
How do you plan to go back home?
Well, we have to unite. If we don't unite, we're going to lose.
Okay.
Yeah, Bob Marley tell you African unite for the benefit of your children.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we the children. We have to unite.
Yeah.
Have love.
So when you go back to Africa, is it going to be physical where you like I don't know, maybe physically move to Africa?
Africa would like to work and build up back Africa, and we come together as one.
Okay.
One love.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Clark. Anything you want to share with the viewers before we go?
Well, give God thanks and praise for life. I think about it. Yeah,
Yes.
official and clean to rally around the
Yes.
red, gold, and green.
Yes.
Yeah, Father God, symbol. Yeah.
Yes.
Give
Yes.
thanks.
All right, Clark. Thank you very much for talking with us
One
today,
love, Mama.
Clark.
Love you, Mama.
Yes,
Give
blessings.
thanks.
Blessings.
Blessings.
Yes. All right. Guys, until next time. Ciao.